Account-based marketing, ABM, is a powerful strategy, but many businesses believe it's out of reach due to cost and complexity. The truth is, ABM can deliver exceptional results for businesses of all sizes. HubSpot, a leading marketing automation platform, offers an affordable and user-friendly ABM solution that simplifies the process. This allows businesses to target, engage, and convert high-value accounts without breaking the bank. What is account-based marketing? Account-based marketing, ABM, flips the traditional marketing funnel on its head. Instead of casting a wide net and hoping to catch a few leads, ABM focuses on identifying and engaging high-value accounts with personalized campaigns. Think of it as a laser-focused approach to marketing, where you treat each key account as a market of one. This strategic approach offers a wealth of benefits. By concentrating resources on the accounts most likely to convert and generate significant revenue, ABM delivers a higher return on investment, ROI. ABM also fosters stronger customer relationships through personalized engagement, leading to increased customer lifetime value and brand loyalty. Furthermore, by aligning sales and marketing teams around a common set of target accounts, ABM streamlines the sales process and improves close rates. Imagine a software company specializing in cloud-based solutions for the healthcare industry. Instead of targeting all healthcare providers, they could implement an ABM strategy focused on a select list of Fortune 500 healthcare companies. They would then develop highly personalized campaigns tailored to each company's specific needs and challenges, using targeted content, personalized emails, and direct engagement with key decision makers. This approach allows the software company to build strong relationships with high-value accounts, increasing the likelihood of closing deals and generating significant revenue. Budgeting for ABM. Common cost considerations. Account-based marketing often conjures up images of lavish dinners with C-suite executives, personalized gifts delivered by drone, and extravagant marketing campaigns with sky-high budgets. One of the biggest misconceptions surrounding ABM is that it's an exclusive club for enterprise-level businesses with deep pockets. This simply isn't true. While ABM can involve high-end tactics, its core principles can be applied by businesses of all sizes. The key is to focus on strategy and efficiency, ensuring that your ABM efforts are aligned with your budget and overall business goals. Addressing common budget concerns. Many businesses hesitate to embrace ABM due to perceived cost barriers. Here are some common concerns and how to address them. ABM is too expensive. This is arguably the most prevalent misconception. While ABM can be more expensive than some traditional marketing tactics, it's crucial to remember that ABM delivers a higher ROI. By focusing on high-value accounts, you're investing your resources strategically, leading to increased revenue and a stronger bottom line. We don't have resources for personalized campaigns. Personalization is a cornerstone of ABM, but it doesn't have to be overly complex or resource-intensive. Start with simple personalization tactics, such as using the account's name in email subject lines or tailoring your website content to their industry. As your ABM strategy matures and your budget allows, you can gradually introduce more sophisticated personalization. We need expensive technology to implement ABM. While technology can certainly enhance your ABM efforts, it's not a prerequisite. You can start with basic tools like spreadsheets and email marketing platforms to manage your ABM campaigns. As your needs grow, you can explore more advanced ABM platforms like HubSpot, which offer a range of features at various price points. Budgeting for ABM success. The key to successful ABM on a budget is to align your spending with your goals and resources. Here are some tips for developing an effective ABM budget. Define your ABM goals. What do you hope to achieve with your ABM strategy? Increased revenue? Improved close rates? Stronger customer relationships? Clearly defining your goals will help you determine the appropriate budget allocation. Identify your target accounts. How many accounts will you be targeting? The number of accounts will influence your budget, as you'll need to allocate resources for determining buyer intent of identified target accounts, identifying buyer personas and target individuals for campaigns, personalize campaigns and engagement activities. Prioritize your ABM tactics. Which tactics will you use to engage your target accounts? Content marketing, paid advertising, direct mail? The cost of each tactic will vary, so prioritize those that align with your budget and target audience. Track your ABM spending. It's crucial to monitor your ABM expenses to ensure you're staying within budget and maximizing your ROI. Use tracking tools to monitor your spending and analyze the effectiveness of your campaigns. By addressing common budget concerns and implementing effective budgeting strategies, businesses of all sizes can leverage the power of ABM to drive significant growth. Plus, ABM is a proven strategy to give you a bang for your buck. 97% of marketers achieved higher ROI with ABM than with any other marketing initiative. 60% of companies using ABM reported a revenue increase of at least 10%. ABM delivers the highest ROI of any B2B marketing strategy. Why use HubSpot for ABM? HubSpot is a leading player in the marketing automation landscape, and its comprehensive suite of tools is particularly well-suited for ABM. Here's why HubSpot is an excellent choice for businesses looking to implement ABM, regardless of their size or budget. Ease of use. HubSpot is renowned for its user-friendly interface and intuitive tools. Even if your team has limited experience with ABM or marketing automation, HubSpot's platform is easy to navigate and understand. The drag-and-drop functionality for workflows, email sequences, and landing page creation simplifies complex tasks, empowering even small marketing teams to execute sophisticated ABM strategies with ease. Affordability budget constraints are often a major concern for businesses considering ABM. HubSpot addresses this concern by offering flexible pricing options to suit various needs and budgets. Tiered plans. HubSpot's Marketing Hub offers tiered plans starting at $20 per month. While the basic plan doesn't include all the bells and whistles of ABM, it provides a solid foundation for inbound marketing, which can be a valuable component of your overall ABM strategy. As your needs and budget grow, you can upgrade to higher tier plans that unlock more advanced ABM features. For instance, the professional tier starts at $890 per month and includes ABM tools like target account recommendations and in-depth reporting. Free trial. Hesitant to commit? HubSpot offers a free trial, allowing you to explore the platform's interface and experiment with basic features before investing. This gives you a first-hand look at how HubSpot can support your ABM initiatives. Growth Suite bundles. For businesses seeking a comprehensive solution, HubSpot offers bundled packages called Growth Suites that combine marketing, sales, and service tools at a discounted rate. This can be a cost-effective way to access a full suite of ABM features and streamline your operations. Powerful ABM features. HubSpot provides a robust set of features designed specifically for ABM, streamlining the process and maximizing your chances of success. Data enrichment. Enrich contact and company records with key attributes like role, employer, location, social profiles, annual revenue, industry, address, etc. Use automatic or bulk enrichment and other settings to tailor your strategy to your business needs. Enrich contacts and companies with 40+ attributes. Target account identification. Identifying the right accounts to target is crucial for ABM's success. HubSpot provides tools to help you identify and prioritize high-value accounts based on various criteria, such as industry, company size, revenue, and online behavior. You can create ideal customer profiles (ICPs) within HubSpot and use the platform's insights to identify companies that match your ICPs. This ensures that your ABM efforts are focused on the accounts most likely to convert and generate significant revenue. Buyer intent. Discover right-fit companies that are engaging with your website and ready to buy. Using new reverse IP and enrichment data sources from Breeze Intelligence and your HubSpot Smart CRM, reveal buyer intent even if they are not in your CRM. Reveal companies visiting your website, identify buyer intent, add enriched companies to your Smart CRM, static lists, and more. Personalized content creation. HubSpot enables you to create highly personalized content tailored to the specific needs and interests of your target accounts. You can use HubSpot's Content Management System, CMS, to develop targeted website pages, blog posts, and landing pages. Dynamic content features allow you to personalize website content based on the visitor's company, industry, or even their previous interactions with your brand. This level of personalization helps you engage target accounts with relevant and compelling content, increasing their interest and driving conversions. Lead nurturing. Once you've identified and engaged your target accounts, it's essential to nurture those leads through the sales funnel. HubSpot excels in this area with its powerful automation capabilities. You can create automated workflows that trigger personalized email sequences, assign tasks to sales reps, and update lead statuses based on specific actions taken by your target accounts. This ensures that your leads receive timely and relevant communication, guiding them toward a purchase decision. Performance tracking. Measuring the effectiveness of your ABM campaigns is crucial for ongoing optimization and improvement. HubSpot provides comprehensive analytics and reporting tools that allow you to track key metrics such as website visits, content downloads, email opens, and deal closures. You can gain insights into which accounts engage with your content, which campaigns generate the most leads, and which sales activities drive the best results. This data-driven approach allows you to fine-tune your ABM strategies and maximize ROI. Seamless integrations. HubSpot integrates seamlessly with a wide range of other business tools, including CRM systems, social media platforms, and video conferencing applications. This allows you to streamline workflows and manage all ABM activities from a central hub. For example, you can connect HubSpot with LinkedIn Sales Navigator to gain deeper insights into your target accounts and engage with key decision makers on LinkedIn. Dedicated ABM support. HubSpot offers dedicated support for its ABM tools, providing access to a wealth of resources, including knowledge base articles, tutorials, and community forums. You can also connect with HubSpot experts for personalized guidance and support. This ensures that you have the resources you need to successfully implement and manage your ABM strategies. Whether you're a small startup or a large enterprise, ABM with HubSpot can help you target, engage, and convert high-value accounts, driving significant revenue growth for your business. Unlocking ABM success with HubSpot. HubSpot empowers businesses of all sizes to harness the power of ABM. Its user-friendly interface, affordable pricing, and robust features make it easier than ever to implement targeted campaigns, personalize content, nurture leads, and track performance. By simplifying complex processes and providing valuable insights, HubSpot enables businesses to maximize their ABM ROI and drive significant revenue growth. Ready to unlock the potential of your ABM strategy? Explore HubSpot's ABM solutions and start building personalized campaigns that resonate with your high-value accounts. Need help getting started? Aspiration Marketing is a certified HubSpot solutions partner with extensive experience in ABM strategy and implementation. We can help you leverage HubSpot's tools to achieve your ABM goals and drive business growth.